Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. We are talking about our calendar add-on in this series. Previously in our videos, we showed you how to install this add-on, how to use the shortcode for event calendar and how it looks in the event listing page. Today, we're gonna show you how you can use the event calendar as a widget. So for that, we need to go to our widget section. So we are logged in to our WP environment. From here, we can navigate to appearance, then navigate down to widgets. In the available widget section on our left hand side, if we look closely, so we will see a widget over here that says event calendar and described as display event calendar. We can add this widget anywhere we like, such as in the footers, such as in the front end widgets, or in the sidebar, anywhere you like. So let's drag this into a sidebar widget and see what happens when we update the website and visit the front end side. Okay, so let's drag it over here right below the search. We are saved. So now we can visit our front end side. As we see, we have the events calendar in the sidebar. As we drag the widget into our sidebar as a widget, it's acting as a widget over here. But you will also notice that it's a bit different than what we saw in the event listing page or in the shortcode calendar, right? So better demonstration will be if I close this page and keep this open. We can see the calendar over here, but you will also notice as we placed the widget on the sidebar in this event listing page, we are by default no longer showing the calendar over here. It shows the default event listing view. So we have the grid listing over here and the calendar over here. So this is a perfect scenario how this can be achieved, and like a great example of how to use the widget on your website. So we have all the same functionalities in this calendar as well. We can navigate to a certain month and certain year by using this drop down and clicking on this button over here. We can navigate months using these buttons over here, this previous and next month. Then we can also see the large calendar over here as well if we click on this button over here. So it will bring up the larger calendar over here as well, but that's not really a practical use since we have a calendar over here in the widget, and in that addition we can see the events listing over here. So as always, the calendar's current date is highlighted by a bluish tint. We can see the events listing in the calendar itself. It's highlighted by this blue dot over here, but we cannot see the pop-up card which we were able to see in the main large calendar in the page. So if we hover over here, we will see a card popping up with the event details, but that's not available over here. But instead we can click this, that will take us to our event, the particular event we have on that date. This works with the multiple events as well, that will take you to the respective event that you clicked on the calendar. But as we have a single event, if we clicked that event, it will take us to the event we have and to its single details page. So we have all the standard data we have for our event displayed over here in our single event details page. So that's how you use a calendar widget from our WP Event Manager's calendar add-on in a sidebar. Or feel free to add this widget anywhere you like as per your need, and let us know in the comment as well. So this being a very short video about how to add or use the calendar widget in WordPress environments. So thanks for watching. I'm Shara signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one.